ID Mobile Operator Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think switching mobile operators is a headache, but you won't believe what happens next when you explore ID Mobile. ID Mobile is a UK-based mobile network operator that offers flexible pay monthly and SIM-only plans. They run on the 3 network, which means decent coverage and reliable 4G and 5G speeds in most urban areas. The surprising truth about ID Mobile is its simplicity. Plans include unlimited texts, calls, and a range of data options, and the company offers perks like unused data rollover and family plan discounts. You can manage your account entirely online with their app, making it easy to top up, monitor usage, or change plans. Most people get this wrong. They assume budget mobile operators compromise on coverage or customer service. ID Mobile balances affordability with strong service, making it a solid option for students, families, and casual users. The platform is best for anyone seeking flexible, low-cost mobile plans without long-term commitments. It's particularly convenient if you value online account management and straightforward pricing. The surprising truth is that ID Mobile proves budget-friendly doesn't mean low quality. You can get reliable coverage, easy management, and smart plan options without overpaying. Subscribe for more honest telecom reviews to help you choose the best mobile service for your needs.